Alright, here we go. It's another one from the Dougherty garden. This is, I believe, in the succulent family, but just from touching the leaves, I got that information, I believe. So I think I'm right, but it has a funny name, so I'm not going to make an attempt to do it. I'll put it in the title of the video so this way you can see it. But basically, for some reason, it just appears to be a little lighter green than where it normally was when I first received it from this tropical garden. So apparently it's surviving close enough because you can see there's still some growth on the bottom down there, still surviving, and it looks to be doing rather healthy in that respect. Let me just pull the weed out here. I just noticed that little puppy. Get out of there, weed. We don't need weeds. Well, anyway, that's it. Cutting back at my succulent. Like I say, it's a funny sounding name, so we'll put the name properly in there, relabel the plant, and get it back to you when I figure out how to get back on my blog where I can write and do some blogging again. This whole whacked out my computer, whacked out with the system, the COVID and everything else has put me into in arrears, something like that. I have no idea what's going on, but one thing I say is thank God my daughter, she was able to mow part of the lawn today because we haven't been able to touch it for like weeks since I did a job on my leg. But anyway, let's get back to my plant. This is I believe, a succulent, and I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm going to have to do a little research on it because I'd like to learn how to make it a little greener than what it was. I believe the color, I'll have to check with it when I do it on the blog, but I have to check and see what the colors looked like when I first received it from this tropical garden. I know it's in better shape than what it looks like now, but we've been having enormous amounts of rain for the last 6 to 8 weeks, but for 24 hours now it's been relatively dry, and as you can see, basically the entire side of the yard is all black from the rain that's been hitting. It just never gets a chance to dry out, so here we are trying to dry everything out, and it's this pretty little plant. I'm determined to save this little puppy, and I will get the name to you. And thank you for stopping by. Please like the video, and any questions about the plants or any hints about it, anybody that's growing it right now, exactly where you grow it, I'm all ears, and I'll give you a little space to show me a picture and just let me know what I'm doing right or what I'm doing wrong. Thank you for stopping by. Please like the video, and please subscribe to the Dougherty channel. We love all the attention. Thank you. Bye bye.